Hey, what's up guys, welcome. So before we continue with today's video, I would like to say something. So well guys, the thing is that my final exams are starting this week, and because of that I will be making less videos for this whole month, and I will also be decreasing my editing time by going back to the simple editing. So say goodbye to the online myself for now. I know it hurts, but I hope you understand. Your boy's got a pass, na? So now with all that being said, let's move forward with today's video. Let me give you a quick refresher of history because that will be important to understand what Samsung might do. So on 17th of October this year, a big issue struck Samsung ultrasonic fingerprint scanners and they failed miserably. Literally anyone could have opened your smartphone with just a screen protector. That spread a lot of controversy and lack of trust for the brand's custom version of the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Samsung was quick with the fix and landed a security update within days, but some apps including some banks disabled using Samsung's under-display fingerprint scanner as a method of security authorization. And some apps were even removed from the Play Store of the Galaxy S11 because of these security issues. So yeah, it was a big mess. All caught up with the history? Okay. So now some new reports hints that Samsung might be ditching the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. An official from Samsung said, and I quote, Samsung Electronics applied the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner to its new smartphones despite lingering security concerns. So there were some issues which Samsung was aware of before implementing the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner to the Galaxy S10. And then another statement from Samsung security analyst is that, I quote again, if Samsung Electronics replaces the fingerprint scanner in question with traditional optical scanners, this would benefit domestic companies that offer optical scanners. So I think that might be enough of evidence to hint that Samsung might be ditching the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner in favor of the industry standard optical scanner, which on paper is less secure than the Samsung's version of ultrasonic scanner, but in real life it has proven to be better, faster and secure, and also it's a bit cheaper too, so it's a win-win. Is this a good decision from Samsung to ditch their fingerprint scanner, which created a lot of buzz on launching time, in favor of a not so cool optical scanner? I will leave it up for debate on you guys, so go down in the comment section right now. My take on this is that if Samsung is 100% sure and could confirm that this type of disaster will not happen ever again, then they should keep ultrasonic fingerprint scanner because it is more technologically advanced and there is more room to improve this technology as compared to the optical scanner. And after fixing all the bugs and issues with the scanner, it will definitely be better than the optical scanners. But if Samsung thinks that they can't fix this scanner and this type of disaster might happen again, then for sure go back to optical scanning. Take a step back to move forward. And when in future if you have advanced your ultrasonic scanner enough that you can be 100% sure about the security, then you can reintroduce it on the S12 or 13 or anytime you want. Let me know guys your thoughts on this in the comment section down below. While you are there, also hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more cool videos like this one. Also follow me on Twitter for small and quick tech updates, and as always guys, thanks for watching.